Dad, I am afraid I have a cough, and it is one of the symptoms of COVID-19. Is there any possible way we can do to check and test my health?
Don't worry, Mikaela, there is a rapid antigen self-testing kit we can use. We'll just need to follow some procedures.
But Dad, where did you get the COVID-19 test kit? How did you know where to buy it?
I have a list of credible sources of licensed COVID-19 testing kits from the FDA. I checked the official website of the Food and Drug Administration to see what the qualified test kits are, and the name of the importer and distributor. So, yeah, no, we don't have to worry about anything here.
Step 1. Getting ready. Firstly, clear, clean, and dry a flat surface where you'll put the test kit on. Then, wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds using soap and warm water or hand sanitizer. Number 3. Check the test kit if it is complete. A complete test kit has extraction tube holder, test strip and sealed packaging, extraction buffer sachet, extraction tube, waste bag, and the swab itself that's inside the sealed wrapper.
Step 2. Setting up the test kit. Remove the test strip from the sealed bag and lay it flat on a flat surface that you cleaned earlier. Next, get the tube and put it into the extraction tube holder that is attached inside the box. Twist or snap open the sachet carefully. The extraction tube should then be closed with its cap and placed in the extraction tube holder. Blow your nose to clear out any excess mucus before taking the sample. Wash your hands again thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. Remove the swab from the packet by pulling it from the stick end. Do not let the swab's fabric tip or the soft part come into contact with anything. Step 3. Taking the sample. Now, to start taking the sample, examine the back of your throat with a mirror. Hold the stick end of the swab. Open your mouth and rub the fabric tip of the swab over your tonsils 4 times on each side. It's normal to feel uncomfortable about this. Finally, insert the same swab into your nostril until it feels like it can't go any further. Once inside, rotate the swab in a circular motion for 10 complete rubs.
Step 4. Processing sample. Open extraction tube's lid and insert the swab fabric into the tube. For 15 seconds, press the tip firmly against the inner edge of the extraction tube while rotating the swab. By this, it will transfer your sample into the liquid. As you remove the swab, pinch the extraction tube against it. Make certain that all liquid has been removed from the soft tip of the swab. Press the cap tightly onto the extraction tube to avoid any leaks. Squeeze the extraction tube gently to place at least 3 drops of liquid into the specimen while on the test strip. Set a timer and wait 30 minutes. Before you read the result, do not leave the test to develop for longer than 30 minutes, as this will make the result void. Step 5. Reading the result. For a positive result, 2 lines will appear. One colored line should be in the control line region, and another colored line should be in the test line region. 2 lines, one next to C and one next to T. Even faint lines show the test is positive. While for a negative result, you'll notice one colored line appears in the control line region. No line appears in the test line region. There's a result that we call a void result, where the control line fails to appear. If you tested positive for COVID-19, it is important to immediately call your doctor or local health departments in your area and seek medical attention. Isolate yourself at home. If instructed, don't have contact with other people and avoid sharing personal household items.
So, what's the result of the test, Dad? Did I catch the virus?
As for your results, you tested negative for COVID-19. but still, we'll need to report it to the nearest local health department for your records.